And the IFTA goes to the Clinic Mary Callery Parallel Films.
I'm absolutely gobsmacked, but it is my privilege and my pleasure to accept this award on behalf of all of the team behind the clinic. We've had a fantastic 7 years. We couldn't have done it without a fantastic cast, crew, backroom girls, front room boys, backroom boys, the whole 9 yards. And I'm really, really grateful to the Academy for this award. And this really, for all of you out there, for all of the team of the clinic, this one is for you. And I'm so delighted to accept it on your behalf. Thank you.